If you're experiencing high ping on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Use the speed test tool to check your current internet speed. Ensure that your download and upload speeds meet the requirements for online gaming. A stable connection is crucial for reducing ping. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If possible, connect your Nintendo Switch to your router using a LAN adapter. A wired connection is generally more stable and faster than Wi-Fi, which can help lower your ping. Step 3. Optimize your Wi-Fi signal. If you must use Wi-Fi, ensure your Switch is close to the router. Remove any obstacles between the console and the router, and consider using a Wi-Fi extender if needed to boost the signal strength. Step 4. Limit network traffic. Reduce the number of devices connected to your network while gaming. Disconnect devices that are not in use and avoid bandwidth-heavy activities like streaming or large downloads during your gaming sessions. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Switching to a faster DNS server can improve your connection speed. Go to your Switch's network settings and manually enter a public DNS server such as Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Nintendo Switch's ping and overall online gaming experience. Happy gaming!